Hey friends, first of all, I want to address the question I've been getting a lot lately is why have you guys been stationary in Northlake, Texas for so long? Well, the truth is Ramble Trailerworks, the shop here, if you saw all the videos from that we made about announcing the shop and all that stuff, but everything here has been moving at 1,000,000 miles an hour, and I've been right here in the thick of it, helping with the hands-on work until our new reinforcements and new help will arrive. So that's why we've kind of been here for so long. But speaking of reinforcements, we finally found someone who's accepted an offer. Really excited for the future of Ramble Trailerworks Texas. But Kyle is our new technician here. Very excited for him and his family. So he just left here this morning, headed back west to pack up his house and move to Texas to be our newest member of the team here. He's been here for the last couple of days, just finalizing everything. But really excited for Kyle to be on the team, and really excited for the future of Ramble Trailerworks Texas and North Carolina. Because of that, I'm finally cleared to get back on the road again, and I couldn't be more excited about doing that too. Also, a quick update on Blair. She's currently working in Oklahoma, but be back tonight. And she's been doing some side projects too. She's officially launched an Etsy store, something we never envisioned her doing or else being a thing of. It's really not me, it's just her. She launched a Airstream RV cross-stitch designs, and there's a bunch of Appalachian Trail, Pacific Crest Trail, hiking kind of things like that, so you can get cross-stitch patterns for that. And she's made not a ton of Taylor Swift stuff, but not only does she sell the patterns that you can make your own cross-stitch, she'll sell you the whole kit with the hoop and the cloth and all the things you need to make your own cross-stitch based on the designs she's made. So it's really cool to see that. If you'd like to show her some love or check out the store, the link will be down in the video description. To the 10 of you who got the LED flasher box, thank you for your patience. I will officially ship those out tomorrow morning. I thought I had enough little flasher switches, but I ran out somehow assembling everything, and I had to order more, so I've been waiting on those parts to arrive. They're here. I'll go assemble them as soon as I'm done with this, and get those boxed up and ready to ship out tomorrow. So thank you for your patience. But if you missed the flasher box, if you missed the opportunity to get one of the 10, I only had 10 this time, I'll make another run in about a month, and you can buy yours if you'd like to. And just a quick reminder on what it is. You take your 7-way pin that you normally plug into your tow vehicle, and you plug it directly into this little box, and then there's a switch where you can turn all your exterior lights of your trailer on, meaning all your running lights, like we do with the fuse at a rally. Or you can flip it the other way and all those same lights flash, just like a blinker does, but all your exterior lights flash. Why might you need something like that? Two things that come to mind immediately for me is if I'm at a campground with a bunch of RVs and I have to call emergency services or get someone's attention, I can go turn on all of my flashing lights and say, hey, look in this direction, all of my lights on my trailer and my truck are flashing and the horn's blinking. Whatever you have going on. If you can make your horn blink, that'd be awesome. Or if you are on the road at night, for example, and you blow a tire, even worse, you blow a second tire and you have to disconnect your tow vehicle from the trailer to go get help or go do a thing or go get resources and come back, your trailer's sitting on the side of the highway by itself without anything going to it. So you can make all of your lights flash in that scenario too. So that's why I like the flasher box. If you've had a big power bill to your trailer, that wire is likely cut, and this system will not work with that. If you have a trade wind, this thing will not work with that because that power wire runs through a different type of charging system. So just know that. It's not for everybody's trailer, but it will work on most any RV. It doesn't have to be an Airstream. So if you know anybody out there who's got an RV who could benefit from one of these boxes, again, I'll be making another run of those soon. And they're very simple. You can get all the parts and make the box yourself. It's super easy to make if you'd like one. So because of the transition here at Ramble Trailerworks and staying in busy and getting the final push to get everything out of here and get the shop moving and get everything going, I've had no time to sit down and look at a computer and make an edit of a video, except for the one you're watching right now. So I don't have a new video ready today. I will have one next Sunday, and it's going to be on how to service, maybe not service, but how to clean and inspect your rooftop air conditioners. So I'll go through all that with you on a video, so stay tuned for that. Our schedule coming up. So we are leaving Texas tomorrow morning. We're headed west towards Tucson, Arizona. I'm going to stop in Tucson and visit with the folks at Air Gear. I want to test out their new power station that they have, the Soarin' power station. I'm super excited for the opportunity to test it out. I think it's going to be a great addition to the RV community at large. And it's a great way to upgrade your power system without being invasive or adding weight to your trailer. So I'll give you more on my thoughts on that as soon as I test it hands-on. Then we're headed to Phoenix for a couple days. I'm doing an inspection at the Chandler Airstream dealership there Friday the 13th. So great day for that. Anyway, I can't say enough about everyone who's reached out to me for an inspection. I appreciate the opportunity. I will tell you that if I were selling a trailer, I would not want Brad to inspect it because, man, I have found all sorts of things. And more than half of the people that I have inspected a trailer for have decided not to buy it based on the findings that I've had. So I appreciate that. I'm sorry for those owners who didn't sell those trailers. But I tell all of you to get your trailer inspected. New or used, it doesn't matter. If you're buying one, have someone who knows what they're looking for to go look at that trailer and make sure that it's quality and it's something that's going to last you a long time. I do have another video that I need to finish editing my thoughts on, or it's called Buyer Beware. I had a friend of mine buy a new to them trailer that had been in a major accident, and got crushed in the front, and they had no idea that it had been repaired. They bought it under a clean title. It was not disclosed to them after having a salvage title in other states. So that's a whole nother thing about buyer beware and inspection. So I can't tell you enough about doing that type of thing. After that inspection, and Blair runs the Black Canyon 100K next weekend in Phoenix, we're going to head north to Salt Lake City for some skiing, hopefully. It's the lowest record snowfall since 1980, which is when they started recording snowfall. The snowpack, I mean. So I might be skiing on rocks, but anyway, that's for another day. From there, in March, we'll be back in Texas, back in North Texas, at the North Texas Airstream community for the Wally's Workshop. Excited for that. And then we're headed right down to Galveston for the Region 9 rally and the very next weekend. So if you're going to be at either one of those, we'd love to see you at one of those. And if you're not following Ramble Trailerworks across social media, please do so. You can see both locations and see the really cool stuff they're doing. That's my updates for now. I hope wherever you are, I hope you all have a wonderful day of camaraderie with your family, friends, and community. And we'll see you all from the road next Sunday. Have a great day, everybody. I love you all. Bye. And Piper has thoroughly enjoyed my monologue this morning, as you can tell. She's so pumped.